Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by creating a restore point so you can revert if needed. Next, download the current AMD driver package from AMD's website. Keep the installer ready. Once done, disconnect the PC from the internet or set the connection to metered to prevent Windows from automatically reinstalling a generic driver. Then open Device Manager, find Display Adapters, and right-click the AMD adapter. Select Properties to check the driver version so you know what to replace. You now uninstall the faulty driver. In Device Manager, choose Uninstall Device and make sure to check Delete Driver Software for this device. That removes the immediate package. For a deeper clean, reboot into safe mode and run Display Driver Uninstaller. This removes leftover files and registry entries that cause conflicts. Once this completes, reboot back to normal mode and confirm in Device Manager that only a basic Microsoft display adapter remains. This ensures a clean slate for the correct driver. You should now install the official AMD package you downloaded earlier. Run the installer as administrator and pick Custom or Clean Install if available, because that prevents leftover modules from persisting. After installation, restart the PC and open AMD Radeon settings to confirm the driver version and test display stability and performance. If something still goes wrong, use the restore point you made first to revert, or try installing a slightly older AMD driver.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.